All right, so this is my setup. I have the drone here and I have a battery pack attached via Velcro to the drone, and then I have the development kit connected to the battery pack. All right, it's showtime. So here's the drone. This is the view from the drone. I have the EFR Connect mobile app and it's discovered the development kit, and I'm going to connect to it. And then we're going to fly it up and see how far it goes. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so it's at 9 meters of height and 14-meter distance right now. Alright, 100 meters. Let's go up a little. I'm at a height of 11 meters. 120, 140 meters. 160. It's 200 meters, still connected. 245 meters, signal still strong. $280 meters, 313 meters. We're getting closer to 350 meters. Let's see when we're going to get disconnected. Minus 105 dBm. And the drone is at 11 meters high. Still getting a good signal. 350 meters. There we've hit 400 meters and it's still connected at minus 103 dBm. It's 460 meters. Let's go this way, see if we can get a little bit further. That is around 500 meters. And still getting a signal. Still at minus 100 dBm. 510. Okay, we just disconnected, so it was around 510 meters. So let's come back home